Have you ever heard of affiliate marketing? It's a term widely used in the entrepreneur world and is one of the most searched terms on Google last year. Big names in the game such as Gary Vee, Stephen Graham, and others have all talked about it. So what exactly is it? Affiliate marketing involves referring a product or service by sharing it on a blog, social media platforms, or website. The affiliate earns a commission each time someone makes a purchase through the unique link associated with their recommendation. Done well, this performance-based opportunity can go from a side hustle to a profitable business by netting you a healthy income. How does this work? To participate in an affiliate marketing program, you'll need to take these 5 simple steps. Number 1, find and join an affiliate program. Number 2, choose which offers to promote. Number 3, obtain a unique affiliate link for each offer. Number 4, share those links on your blog, social media platforms, or website. Number 5, collect a commission anytime someone uses your links to make a purchase. The commission rates can vary dramatically depending on the company and the individual offer. On the low end, you'll earn about 5% of each sale that is made, but with some arrangements and hard work, you can earn as much as 50%, usually when promoting a class or event. There are also numerous affiliate marketing programs that provide a flat rate per sale instead of a percentage. This may sound like an easy task to some, and in some aspects, this just might be simple to do for you. However, as anyone in the business knows, one of the hardest things to do is to get customers. Even Amazon is willing to let you take a percentage of their item in exchange for you to promote. So who are the people who could have the most success in this industry? Number 1, influencers. An influencer is an individual who holds the power to impact the purchasing decisions of a large segment of the population. This person is in a great position to benefit from affiliate marketing. They already boast an impressive following, so it's easy for them to direct consumers to the seller's products through social media posts, blogs, and other interactions with their followers. The influencers then receive a share of the profits they help to create. Number 2, bloggers. With the ability to rank organically in search engine queries, bloggers excel at increasing a seller's conversions. The blogger samples the product or service and then writes a comprehensive review that promotes the brand in a compelling way, driving traffic back to the seller's site. Number 3, large media websites. Designed to create a huge amount of traffic at all times, these sites focus on building an audience of millions. These websites promote products to their massive audience through the use of banners and contextual affiliate links. This method offers superior exposure and improves conversion rates, resulting in a top-notch revenue for both the seller and the affiliate. Affiliate marketing is one of the most innovative ways of making money today, and is one you should definitely be looking into if you're an entrepreneur. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.